Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Skillwise course detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Skillwise website in your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to access your account. If you already have an account, enter your registered email and password, then press login. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up link to create one before proceeding. After logging in, navigate to your dashboard. On your dashboard, look for the Courses section. Click on the Courses section to view your available courses. Find the course you wish to activate from the list provided. Once you've located the course, click on its title for more details. You will be directed to the course overview page. Here, look for an Activate Course button or link. Click on the Activate Course button to begin the activation process. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen during this process. You may be required to enter a course access code if provided. Enter the code in the designated field and click Submit. If your activation is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Once activated, you can begin accessing course materials immediately. To do this, return to your dashboard and click on the course title again. Enjoy your learning experience with Skillwise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.